With karate, we can automate the assessment of allergy risks in children based on their profiles, helping healthcare professionals make informed decisions and providing parents with valuable insights into potential allergic reactions their kids might face. Now we start showing how to do it. Input your basic demographics. Input your biochemistry. These fields are optional. The more complete the input data, the greater the chance of successful prediction. Input your genotyping. These fields are also optional. Check this for proving you are not a robot. Click the Submit button. See the prediction result. The darker the color, the higher the risk. If you want to enter the information of multiple people at one time, please click Multiple Input by CSV. Input your information. Select your model based on the fields which you're providing data. Download sample CSV file and fill your information. Upload your CSV file. If you select model with genotyping, you need to upload your PED file. Download sample PED file and fill your information. Upload your PED file. Check this for proving you are not a robot. Click the Submit button. See the prediction result. The darker the color, the higher the risk.